understand more about the issues of osteoporosis. The Anling movement will help bring women together around their shared passion to do more and lead the life they love. By taking the Anling movement to the world, we will inspire more women than ever before to mobilise. The Anling movement will launch in a big, inspiring way with a series of coordinated events across each region. Using communications that engage the audience emotionally, the launch will announce the Anling movement and all that it stands for. Now is my time. It's your time. It's our time. It's not the time to let our bones hold us back. It's time to keep them strong, to feed them everything they need, more than just calcium. Because the stronger they are, the more we can do. And there's so much we can do. It's time to start a movement, to join a movement. It's called the Anling movement. And once you start, don't stop. Jump, run, dance, walk the dog, walk the wall, walk tall, fly somewhere, anywhere. It's time to form a lotus, to form a club, to see all the things you haven't seen, to do the things you haven't done, that no one's done. And the best news is we're not alone. There's thousands of us in Sydney and Singapore, Malaysia and Manila, Taiwan and Thailand, doing the Anling movement, joining the Anling movement. Because now is my time. It's our time. It's your time to join the Anling movement.
Trusted caring expert. Freedom.
Okay. Aline wants to be known as the
Expert in bone nutrition.
expert
In bone nutrition.